Every beginner could be the boss of tomorrow. Students walking into this campus with their own dreams of becoming a successful individual of future pass along their dreams to us at Idyllic Institute of Management to translate them into reality. Working on the same ideology, the Idyllic Institute of Management, situated in Indore, the business capital of Madhya Pradesh, also well recognized for being the cleanest city of India and affiliated to DAVV University, Indore, is committed to impart quality education with global standards and shaping up brilliant minds with humility.
Practical insights and industry exposure is all what a management student craves for. Here we adolescents get it. From focusing to 360-degree exposure of students, my college provides me life learning skills of various eminent guest lectures, enriching my knowledge, career guidance, management skills so that the students can face the challenges of this competitive world. We also got the opportunity to move Pune for the practical industry visit. Here we visited Catridge Dairy Pune, Mapro, Parle-G, Mahi Transformers, Yellow Diamond, Sachi Dugdh Sangh, Eicher Motors, Balaji Wafers, Asha Confectionery and many more. These all together made me industry ready
for beginning their higher education quest with. The iconic campus with state-of-the-art features and facilities make it the most popular institute among the students. BBA with global exposure, 3-year undergraduate degree program, being one of the most sought-after courses offered along with other prominent courses at Idyllic.
As a proud student of Idyllic Institute of Management, I feel elated to share my experience. Since my childhood days, it was my dream to visit abroad. At Idyllic Institute of Management, I realized my dream when I got admitted to its BBA Global program, which provides 2 foreign tours to its students. And we visited Dubai and attended a seminar at Amit University Dubai, Heriot-Watt University Dubai on topic international exposure pertaining to higher education. Life at Dubai was amazing. The tour covered some beautiful and breathtaking sights. We even went to Atlantis and Lost World, Dubai Frame, Burj Khalifa, Show Cruise, had a desert safari and even a surprise limousine ride. The tour has definitely changed my overall personality and has made me more confident and independent.
Bring students closer to the world of entrepreneurship and management by giving them 3 years to learn basic management theories with practical approach to the global platform. The major emphasis is given to the activities related to competency development and industry exposure.
What makes Idyllic Institute of Management truly unique in India is an array of opportunities that we are offered for better practical exposure coupled with theoretical knowledge throughout our 3-year degree course. When I was a school student, I always wanted to be a guide or direct others in a way which can be helpful in achieving a common goal. In my college, I realized the correct word for it is entrepreneurship. I realized this when I participated in International Magisterium Gala, the annual management fest in which management competitions like international debate competition, presentation competition, paper making competition, research paper, entrepreneurship competitions are held. We at Idyllic Institute of Management are also provided with different certification courses like Six Sigma, Advanced MS Excel, NCFM, Online Digital Marketing, Vedic Maths. We also have different skills development workshops like movie screening, motivational lectures from IMA, which is Indore Management Association.
An institution which believes that you can achieve amazing things. A lighthouse that enlightens the management guru within you. Life at Idyllic is an experience to reckon with. And why students fall in love and put their heart upon Idyllic is no secret. A mind which is at peace and happy is believed to be the most productive one. And the atmosphere here at Idyllic is just what students search for beginning their higher education quest with.
The beautiful thing about learning and knowledge is that nobody can take it away from you. Learning is a continuous process which is indeed required for better human being and to serve the society at utmost. This is being a proud principal of Idyllic Institute of Management, which is one of the best commerce and management institute of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh.
As they say, we should run after excellence and the rest shall follow. The Idyllic Institute, on its way towards excellence, has been setting many milestones so far. Idyllic Institute of Management, being today's modern Gurukul, has the team of best faculties to ensure that they prepare them to become industry-ready professionals, along with complete placement assistance and support for every student to grow as the future of the nation. Idyllic Institute of Management believes that the right education, which is not just about learning things, but a system inculcated and developed over a period of time for them to become the leading lights of tomorrow.